Hey everyone, welcome back. If your videos keep buffering while watching online, like constant loading, freezing, or low quality playback, yeah, that's really frustrating. But don't worry, in this full guide, I'll show you how to fix buffering step by step in 2026. First, restart your router and your device. It sounds simple, but it clears temporary network issues that often cause buffering. Next, run a speed test. If your internet is too slow for HD or 4K, buffering will happen no matter what. If the video is buffering, lower the quality from 4K to 1080p or even 720p. This reduces the data load instantly. Now close background apps using the internet. Downloads, updates, or cloud sync can steal bandwidth and cause buffering. If possible, use an Ethernet cable. If not, move closer to your router or switch to a stronger Wi-Fi band. Next, change your DNS to a faster one like Google DNS or Cloudflare. This can improve video loading speed. If you're watching in a browser, clear your cache. Corrupted cache files can slow down video loading. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off for testing. These can slow down streaming and cause buffering. Too many devices using the same Wi-Fi can overload your network. So yeah, disconnect unused devices. Finally, make sure your network drivers are updated. This helps improve stability and reduces buffering issues. And that's it. Follow these steps and your video buffering issues should be fixed, or at least heavily reduced.